So one more time, just explain it. It's portraits through the years.
Storytelling, like Shakespeare. Is he a storyteller? Did he write books? Shakespeare?
I'm so glad I'm filming.
It's like a light show.
Oh my goodness gracious. You know, it's amazing how busy it actually is, isn't it? The stuff's kind of everywhere. This is really cool. Such a simple idea. It's just like, you know, a few projectors, but it looks amazing. It's cool. Do you want to try going on the other side?
It started again.
Wow, that's cool. The patterns are fantastic.
It's like being inside a kaleidoscope.
It's exactly that. Yeah, that's perfect. Colours are so vibrant for just like a projector, aren't they?
Filming the back of that man's head.
I know, yeah. It looks cool. I suppose I'm having a similar kind of experience. The words are cool, I like that. Oh, it's something. It's just so, it's very busy, isn't it? When it's just like letters and symbols everywhere. The spiral's cool. It's very mesmerising. Oh, it's so colourful, isn't it?
I think I'm telling you what
What's happening?
Yeah, what year it's meant to be, who it's meant to be about.
What's going on?
Yeah, I have no clue. Still underwater.
Yeah. I think it's just cool to look at.
It is, yeah.
Maybe it's like depicting scenes from Shakespeare's plays.
Never read one.
No? We were forced to do Macbeth in secondary school.
Yeah, we were, but I didn't. I bunked off and went up the farm.
Oh yeah, the bubbles are cool. That's great. Oh, here we go. Look at this guy.
Did I take some drugs in the car?
Same dude, it's proper trippy. Wow, the colours are amazing. They're so like vivid. Wow, that's awesome. Oh, that's cool how it's just like a shadow. That's wicked. Huh. Did Shakespeare do Wizard of Oz? Is that what that is? Click in the hills.
I don't know.
Oh, well, I don't know.
Wizard of Oz?
That's what I thought.
I thought so.
Just thought that's what was on the screen. There was like some shoes tapping together on like a yellow background, and I was like, well, maybe. Hey,
they've moved on to someone else. I don't know.
Possibly. To be honest, I have not got a clue what's going on narratively. It's wicked to look at, but I have not got an idea.
Oh, I've seen that, Jack Black.
Yeah. I think it must just be like all classic British authors and stuff. Oh, that's cool. I love the purple text.
Wow.
Yeah?
Okay. Should we go? It's different.
Yeah.
Okay, that was bizarre.
I think it was wicked.
It was good.
No clue what was going on, but it was cool to look at.
No. I mean, yeah, there was a couple of, there was a few then I thought, yeah, okay, I've heard of that book, and it was just, yeah.
It did feel a lot with like all of the fractal patterns and the religious speech. It felt like, it did definitely feel like some sort of indoctrination.
How do we get to the car?
You just want to escape.
Yeah.
You're like, this sounds weird, man. Let's go home.
Yeah, well, there we are. There's an hour of my life I'm not getting back, but
it was cool though. I think it was great. Thank you for taking me to this.